Hi aspirants, I'm Saranan Radhakrishnan. Welcome back to listen about the internship impacts career. What industrial internship mean? Shaping the career in the industry, real-time requirement on solving pain points by provoking thoughts applied in professional direction and experimenting with own unique ideas using learned academics into practice. It's a joyous program to put your dreams into test in real time in the industries using your own senses safely, comfortably, with minimal or no disturbance to the business to demonstrate your competencies. I mean it. With this supreme confidence, you get courage, you will be able to compete in the career market as an outstanding candidature. Why should you do internship? Top 10 reasons. Let's see the top 10 reasons. Improvising academic learning with career aspiration, networking with the industry masters, lifelong learning mentors, train yourself in the industrial behavior, experiment your ideas and explore to excel in the career, resume building with persona exploration, net worth improves to market your career, shape your passion with career blueprint, holistic understanding of the industry and industry ready, and moreover you become professional. So let's look at the first one, improvise the academics learning with career aspiration. A textbook learning, laboratory practicing, guest lectures, seminars, webinars, white papers, case studies, all of them has given you abundance knowledge to your career aspirations. As there are several proverbs, practice makes perfect and the drawing keeps you the acceleration. Improvise the academics learning by the way testing your ideas in real time. So now let's look at the second point of networking with the industry masters. I mean it, yes. We got the faculties, we got the masters of 100 plus years in our academy. This means your learnings is going to be of lifelong till the time you decide that you can take off on your own. In physical and social connects, networking with the right sense, right content, right quantum, right quality and right gesture. Face the right royalty to leverage the right time to accelerate your career growth in the right direction. This is essential support you need to have a joyous lifestyle with every basic need and financial compensation, salaries, benefits, etc. etc. Train yourself in the industrial behavior, being the third point. Getting to know the industrial behavior before you are entering into the industry. This helps you to get started right from the interview day to your increment day. This means you get to know, practice business communication, understanding the perceptions of peers who are working with you and superiors as well, understanding the management expectation, what the management is expecting from you, and resonating with your career ambitions. This means you are on par, on touch always with your goals, how you are going ahead, and putting the right things in the right way with your peers and your superiors. Learn how to say no. Lead with your legacy and value system. Balance your work-life career. Experiment with your ideas and explore how to excel in the career. So these are the 9 points which I need to tell you here. And as I said, experiment gives the experience to excel in the career. Here in the internship stage, these experiments are guided by the industry masters from Zyple Academy. So you are on the safe hands. So you can make your own mistakes which industry did not find earlier. Since masters guided you on the right ways which avoid you doing such mistakes which was done earlier. This means you got the opportunity to learn from others' mistake from your own mistakes as well. Resume building with persona exploration. This is being the fifth point. Connecting the dots precisely and confidently makes the resume stand out for you to gain the hiring manager's attention. To build supreme resume, you need supreme confidence. The resume should have the following contents. All these contents should have cohesively connected of all four, that is K, A, S, H means cash. This cash to encash, that is cash. Salary plus compensation. What is this KASH? Knowledge, attitude, skill, and habit. So, with this combination, you should be able to build a powerful resume. And with this, the sixth point is the net worth improves to market your career. Okay, how is it? With all these above benefits of 5 points, what will be discussed so far, your net worth gets increased in compensation to ensure others and you would have the great strength to negotiate with your employer for better salary and compensation. And every certification adds to value. You know this. With this internship certification, your net worth would be on par to the competent candidates in the market. Per se, you would be of competing on par with 2+ years of experience. Now let's look at the seventh one. How to shape your passion with the career blueprint. You all know and did this all the way up to the academic graduation, right from your school studies and your professional academic qualification like diploma and engineering, graduation, so on and so forth. And now it's high time for you to craft your career passion in a blueprint in the next years ahead. Say you should be having 3 years and 5 years action list with acquired skills and what to learn continuously and how to engage these skills and experiment them to explore almost accelerate your career growth. Shaping passion means shaping career. Success journey is the right vehicle to travel. Alright, so now let's look at the holistic understanding of the industry. How it can be possible for holistic understanding the industry. So internships helps you to understand the industry, which all the things that drives your ability to agile and adapt easily, effectively, 100% efficiently. Understanding adds strength and stamina to accelerate your growth. So you will be able to understand the industry in a holistic manner. So this means you are industry ready. So all the means of all these 8 aspects of all the above, whatever we discussed, it makes you industry ready and acceptance in the industry as industry understands your potential, your capabilities, your capacities and all the more competencies. Through your certifications, your skill demonstration at the time of hiring manager interaction in the interview. So with all these things, you are becoming a professional. So you become a professional in addition to the alumnus in a true sense to your career. Catching up with you in the next episode. Before I sign off from this video, I recommend all of you to log in into www.zypleacademy.com to explore yourself, to see what are the modules in the detailed list of activities, what you will be of learning and how you are going to accelerate your career growth using these certifications. See you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye. Wish you good luck.